Beautiful butterfly at the nature center and in the habitat where the butterflies fly. Look at this beautiful butterfly.
I want to pick it up. Can I try picking it up?
I don't know if you should bother it, but it definitely came to let us take a couple of pictures of it and let us videotape it. I asked the butterfly, could you sit still for a second, and it definitely came to do that. So this is the butterfly at nature. Here's Treasure observing the butterfly. Let's get a face picture, Treasure.
A face picture?
Yeah, that's her new hairstyle, y'all. She wanted. See, it's long all around and then it's just hanging in her face. But yeah, we're at the nature center where it's so beautiful. Aww. Now the butterflies flying around.
Oh, I want to put it for you.
You can't really catch it when it's flying around. So we're gonna wrap the video up right here. Aw, see, it sat down for a second. We on a nature trail right now, me and my daughters. This is how you connect with nature. Grab it. Butterflies is about transformations, miracles. You know, it's yellow and black. Aww. So there's the butterfly and its inhabitant, spreading its wings. You know, now it's taking off like butterflies should do. Fly free like birds. Uh-oh, it wants to fly over on the other side now. All right, Treasure, come on.
You.
Let's go on the trail. Deja, let's get a face view of Deja. Deja, Mira, enjoying herself.
I want the butterfly to follow us so we can have it.
And Treasure hasn't. Let's
What
get a face view of you in this haircut that she came out with, y'all. Emo. It's called emo.
My friend said
this
I
is
look
her.
like an anime girl.
Okay, she looks like an animated
I
girl.
don't.
Yeah, she got her own style.
What if the butterfly flies into my big
All right, this is the nature trail. We're on the nature trail. It goes all around the whole being, I guess, city. I mean, from one street to the next, but it's a whole nature. We hear birds, we see deers. It's a lot of people here today. You know, we're seeing butterflies. We haven't seen any deers yet. And we have to go inside if we want to see fish and other little stuff. But on the outside, this is the type of stuff I grew up on. Being in the creeks, being in the woods. You know what I'm saying? Listen to that bird sound.
I want the butterfly to follow us.
Yeah. I got raw all in my face. Yeah. They got different areas that they give different names to. Like the mush area. It's like real creaky and woods and trees and all that stuff. That old cowgirl stuff. Only a few of us can handle that. You hear them birds?
There's a bird over there, but it's flat. Probably a crow. There's more than one bird, actually. There's two. What if a dog just came out the
I don't know, but let's go find a seating area
There's a
so I can
playground over there.
sit between the trees and shit. Listen to the birds.
My teacher, Miss Petty, she had once bought a trampoline and it cost her $500. There's a bird.
I see them. I hear them.
I
But they
wanna-
louder than that. Come on. There's more birds.
Mom,
It's a lot of people here today because it's warm out.
could we probably go to like a place and buy a butterfly?
She told me, can we go to a pet place and buy a butterfly? You can buy birds and stuff. I don't know about butterflies. I don't know. Here, let me just listen to the bird sound.